Ok.
Și bine v-am regăsit la un primul episod din Infiltrating the Airship. Astăzi este ultimul episod din jocurile cu Stickman. Păi, să începem episodul.
Check, this is Charles. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy, so yeah, good luck.
Stați un pic, Knack. Acum. Am aspirat. Erau mizerabili.
Hey, good job there. Oh, so we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation. Alright, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? That's kind of thinking. Yeah.
Disgust, glue, glue.
No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? We totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Trash.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh?
Platforma Gravity Ball Charge.
Alright, here I come. Da, 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 da.
Retri. Robotul
Hey,
hack.
here it comes.
Robotul ajutător.
Pardon. Okay. Sounds like guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Bun, hai. Mai chestia asta, habar n-am. L-am topit.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Wow.
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room.
Mijlocul e cel mai tare.
Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper.
Este un tank într-o cutie. Incredibil.
We got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Flashbang, sleeping gun, force gun, banana bomb, force gun. Dar nu cred că va funcționa.
There's a button on your earpiece. You should press it. What's going? This could be a problem.
Ranca GCP. Grapple gun. Wait, bomb, expanding flame, joy buzzer. Wait. Așteptăm. Computer. Se joacă pe calculator. Am făcut un oraș frumos. Magic Pelicel. Nu, mi-a dat unde-i lumea mai dragă?
My apologies, everyone. Had to deploy some invasive maneuvers. A flock of ducks flew by.
M-am înghețat singur. Aparizor. Gravity Guns. Ce mai fi?
What's going on? Looks like he set off some sort of alarm in the vault. What? He's going rogue? Alright, move to plan B. Cone reinforcements and move in. Yeah, this is Jeffrey. I got him right here, so you guys don't need to...
Ce mă părăși, mă, pe ce Power armură. Wow, supereroul! Războiul nuclear.
Wilson, we've got to get out of here. We got chaos at our front doorstep. We're not built to deal with this, man. Go, evacuate everyone. I can take care of this.
Usta? Usta? Wow, războinici!
There he is. He's got the ruby. Now forget about it. We've got to retreat, or else the Topek clan will be history.
Wow, s-a oprit să facă pișul.
Orders, Captain? Let him go. What? We got what we came for. He's not worth the trouble.
Asta a fost episod pe azi. Mulțumesc cum ați urmărit. Vă rog să vă abonați, să dați like. Mulțumesc, la revedere și pa!